Shebe Shed arrested in his hometown Benda in Polokwane today. Now, this arrest is in connection with an alleged road rage shooting that occurred on October 2025. The incident happened when Shebe Shed allegedly shot another motorist in the stomach during a heated altercation at a petrol station in Polokwane. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the victim is a 34-year-old man, and he was seriously injured, and he is currently in a critical condition in the intensive care unit. Now, Shebe Shed, whose real name is Ulihlohonolo Katlego Chauke, was arrested after an intelligence-driven operation by the Limpopo Murder and Robbery Unit. Now, this arrest is not the first time that Shebe Shed was found on the other side of the law. He was previously faced with attempted murder charges, including a 2022 incident where he allegedly stabbed a man in Lewakomo. He also has been involved in other violent altercations, including an incident where he assaulted a fan with a bottle. Now, Shebe Shed is expected to appear before the Polokwane Magistrate Court on the 13th of November 2025, facing charges of attempted murder. The National Prosecuting Authority is likely to oppose his bail, citing the violent nature of the crime and the potential risk to the victim. Now, it's worth noting that Shebe Shed had previously surrendered himself to the police and was released pending investigation. However, the recent arrest suggests that authorities have gathered enough evidence to move forward with the case. Now, what are your thoughts regarding his behavior as a role model? I interrupt this video to tell you that I've partnered with a tattoo artist by the name of MGM Inc. This partnership is bringing a 50% discount on all tattoos. Now, if your name is Ubusi, for an example, you want to get a tattoo of your name because of its 4 letters, you will pay 160 for those 4 letters. But if you book it now, you will qualify for a 50% discount. You will only be paying 80 Rand because of it will be 20 Rands per letter. MGM Inc. is located in Johannesburg in a town called Krugersdorp. He also does house calls, but transport will be provided by you. All that you have to do to qualify for this 50% discount is to send him a WhatsApp and tell him that you are referred by Alokwan Reacts. That is Alokwan Reacts, and automatically you'll be qualified. Alternatively, you can also send me a DM, but please do